This chart gives information about monthly news reports by CNN and BBC. From the picture, we can see the value of CNN in July is 130. In June, the number of CNN is higher, around 158. The highest amount of BBC is in October, which is 152. And the lowest one of BBC is in January, which is 5. In general, the value of BBC fluctuates by a wider margin than that of CNN. To sum up, the graph tells about monthly news reports. This picture gives information about sport activities. Firstly, in the upper left corner, it is running, and in the upper right corner, it is flying ring. Then in the middle, we can see hurdling, with a person crossing the hurdle. And we can also see gymnastics, which shows a person is standing on a single foot to demonstrate the balance capability. In the lower left corner, it is weightlifting, with a person crouching and preparing to lift 2 barbells. Boxing in the lower right corner, with a person wielding the fists. To sum up, the graph tells about sport activities. This picture gives information about a park. Firstly, a fountain is shown in the middle of the picture. A lady is riding a bicycle and a man is riding a scooter near the fountain. Then, there is a small pond where some ducks are swimming. From the picture, we can see a woman with a pet dog is greeting to another woman. Also, a woman is walking on the trail and talking on the phone. On the bench is a young lady in pink reading a book. In the background, there stand many high buildings. To sum up, the graph tells about what a park is like. This picture gives information about human anatomy. Firstly, the cross-section of the nose is shown in the head. Below the nose, that of the mouth is shown too. Then, that of the trachea is shown between the mouth and the lungs. From the picture, we can see the two lungs are pink, with many thin blood vessels within them. Below the lungs, there is the diaphragm, which separate the chest and the belly. The upper halves of the two arms are also shown in the picture. To sum up, the graph tells about human anatomy. This line chart gives information about daily usage of smart home devices. From the picture, we can see the value on Thursday is 3.7. On Friday, the number is higher, which is 4. The highest point is on Sunday, around 4.6. And the lowest one is on Saturday, which is 1. There are also many other days, from Monday to Sunday. To sum up, the graph tells about daily usage of smart home devices. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.